Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to download a video editor. The video editor's name is VideoPad Video Editor. Just go to Google Chrome or any web browser you have and type VideoPad Video Editor. This star emblem it is, star pattern. Open VideoPad Video Editor, the first link you see. Then click on download now for Windows. I have already downloaded it. So if I go to my Windows Explorer, go to downloads. VideoPad Video Editor. Just click on this. Take yes. If maybe this option may not come on it. Don't come there. Then click on all next. Next. I've already installed, so I don't want to install this again. That's why it just open up for me like this, because I have already installed. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.